My name is Mike Beardas. I'm with CW Valley Co-op, and we've been with Bushel since 2018. Agriculture is a very relationship-driven and personal business. We're never going to replace the face-to-face meetings, the quality of conversation, and the relationships that generates. But what we do need to do is make information more readily available at guys' fingertips when they need it, so they can make quality decisions based on the data that they have and we can provide to them. We reached out to Bushel in order to gain better connectivity with our farmers. Bushel has put us in a great position with our connection with our customer base, using the data that we already have, relaying it onto them, building on that platform, making even more accessibility or adding more functions along the way, payments, bookings, invoices, everything else that they've added into the portal since we signed on originally. Times are changing in the egg industry as we see generations change. We need to adapt as egg business, and we need to meet the customer where they're at, or preferentially where they're going. We want to be there already. So when I think of our workflows and how we connect with farmers prior to utilizing Bushel, it was a lot more paper, a lot more phone calls, and a lot more manual data that we had to take time out of our day to do. Now that we are on the Bushel platform, things are more automated. They're very transparent for the growers. They can access that 24/7. Bushel has become a very necessary background for us. Rarely do we talk about Bushel in and of itself. It's become part of our identity.